Welcome back to our channel, where we provide you with valuable tips and tricks to enhance your Snapchat experience. In today's video, we'll guide you through a comprehensive tutorial on how to unpin a chat in Snapchat. Unpinning a chat allows you to remove it from the top of your chat list. Let's get started. Step 1. Open Snapchat on your device. Look for the familiar Snapchat app icon on your home screen or in your app drawer. Step 2. Tap on a chat from your chat list, excluding the AI chat. Choose the chat you want to unpin. Step 3. Tap on the name of the chat at the top of the screen. Then, tap on the 3 dots located in the top right corner of the screen. Step 4. In the menu that appears, tap on Chat Settings. Then, select Unpin Chat. By following these simple steps, you can easily unpin a chat in Snapchat, removing it from the top of your chat list. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give this video a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel for more valuable content. Remember, unpinning a chat in Snapchat allows you to declutter and prioritize your chat list, ensuring easy access to the conversations that matter most to you. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more tips and tricks.